In this video, you will learn how to get notifications on Slack. This guide will take you through the steps needed to ensure you receive notifications for messages and updates within your Slack workspace. Begin by navigating to your Slack workspace. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the channel you want to track. For example, you might choose a channel labeled SAMP, LE1, which indicates that there is a new item. Next, look for the workspace title at the top left corner of the Slack interface. Clicking on this title will open a drop-down menu with various options. After this action, a list will appear, allowing you to access different settings related to your workspace. Once the drop-down menu is visible, select the option labeled Preferences. This will redirect you to a new screen where you can customize your Slack settings. It is important to be on the Preferences page, as this is where you can adjust your notification settings. Now, find and click on the section titled Notifications. This will lead you to the notifications settings where you can manage how and when you receive alerts. You should see several options appear for modifying your notification preferences. Following that, look for the option labeled Messaging Defaults. Clicking on this will allow you to set the default notification behaviors for messages. It is crucial to configure these settings based on your communication needs. After selecting Messaging Defaults, search for the link that says How to Notify You. This section will provide you with options on how notifications will appear on your devices, whether it be banners or alerts. Next, click on the Desktop Notifications option. This will allow you to set preferences for how notifications are displayed on your desktop. You may need to wait a moment for the settings to load after your selection. Following that, find and select the Mobile Notifications option. This will enable you to configure how notifications appear on your mobile devices, ensuring that you stay updated on the go. Now, you will see a section titled What to Notify You About. Click here to customize the specific events that will trigger notifications, allowing you to streamline your alert preferences. Then click on the option labeled Everything. This ensures that you receive notifications for all activities within your selected channels. Confirm that this setting is active before proceeding. You will encounter another option labeled Also Notify You About. After selecting this, you will be able to specify additional notification preferences for different types. Next, find the option for Thread Replies and click on it. This will ensure that you receive notifications for replies within threads, keeping you engaged in ongoing discussions. Following that, select the option labeled Messages from VIPs, even if notifications are paused. This setting will allow important messages to bypass any notification silencing you may have set. Then click on Set up Mobile Overrides to access settings that allow you to customize how notifications are handled on mobile devices, which can be crucial for staying connected. Next, select New Huddles to receive notifications specifically related to huddles, which are informal video calls within Slack. This ensures you're alerted for these types of communications. If you want to explore how to manage notifications on Slack yourself, a link is provided in the description and pinned comment below this video. This will guide you through the process in more detail. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.